Y'all can kind of hear my kids in the back maybe, but they about to go to bed and we about to get in. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my anniversary gift with you guys, and this is going to be the Intex hot tub. It is the biggest one that they make, so this is the one that's supposed to sit 6 people. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it with you, and I'm going to set it up. And yeah, maybe if you were in the market for one, or yeah, more so if you're in the market for one, this video should kind of give you an idea of just how it comes packaged and how to set it up. So I have my box right here. I know you can't see it, but this is the box right here. The box came through FedEx. It's 97 pounds. So yeah, my husband had to bring it all the way into this location right here. But yeah, so I'm not going to be really moving it too much because it's a little too heavy for me. But it came in one big box, and then mine came in this box as well. So it came with 2 boxes. This box was already opened a little bit, and I did just kind of peek into it because I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open this one first because it's just already open and it's lighter. Okay, so in this box here, you have the headrest. It looks like that. Then you have the cup holder. So it's 2 cup holders and a little table. Then you have a seat. So it comes with a seat. This is one seat, I'm quite sure. It's one seat in here. Yeah, it's one seat. So this is the seat that you can put in the bottom. Even though some of the reviews, people were saying that the seat isn't really necessary, depending on your height. So I'm not like I'm not short. So yeah, we'll just see how the seat does. So that's what's in this top box. So these are the little accessories that came with it. So as y'all saw, this is the Pure Spa Plus model. That's six people, so it's the biggest that they have. They do make another one. It's smaller, and this is 2 to 4 people. The dope thing is, as y'all saw with the accessories that my little bundle came with, I had got a headrest, and on the box it says that this unit already comes with 2 headrests. So that's 3 headrests that I will have. It also comes with a LED light so that the water lights up. Yeah, so that's pretty dope too. Yeah, so we're gonna open this up. Yeah, we're gonna open this up. I'm looking at the box because it comes with a cover so that you could cover it up, and a mat or like a tarp that you would lay first. So I'm gonna attempt to set this up and then we'll go from there. This tube blows up the spot. So now it's blowing up. So we have to connect this tube to the pool first, and then we'll finish connecting the other pieces. But this got to get put together first, and then this blows the pool up. So these are the max and fill lines, or the max and minimum. So we got a maximum line up here and then the minimum line right there.
I can be like this.
And then after you blow it up, the rest of your attachments just become available to go towards the motor. So we're finished setting it up. So as y'all saw, the jets are on. It got to 104. I did notice that once the bubbles are on, that it drops, the temperature drops. So it was at 104 and now it's at 102. Yeah, it's still at 102, but that's not too far off from 104. So you probably won't feel that type of a difference in the heat. The motor on this thing is quiet. The bubbles are loud. When the bubbles are off and the motor is on, like when it's heating up, it's quiet. But these bubbles, that's the sound you're hearing. It's the bubbles that's loud. So if you're playing music or was trying to maybe watch TV or something, you will have to turn that volume up kind of high. Now, as far as heating, setup, let me go back. Setup. Now my husband set this up. He said it was fairly easy, but you have to inflate the jacuzzi up first. You have to inflate it first, and then you hook everything up. The motor that's inside of this jacuzzi inflates all the headrest that comes with it and the hot tub itself. So you don't have to get an air pump. You won't need an air pump or anything. All the tools that you need to set this up is included with the hot tub. So we didn't need anything extra. Setup was easy. The weight in part comes in with heating it up. This took literally to the T 24 hours to heat up. So after you fill it up, it didn't take long to fill up. How long would you say it took to fill up? About 2 hours to fill up. And you have a minimum line and a maximum line. I filled ours up to the maximum line. line. So that took 2 hours to fill up. That may vary depending on however you choose to fill it up. I use my water hose. Now, okay, now heating it up is what takes the longest. That takes literally 24 hours. If you start heating it up at 10 o'clock p.m., it won't be at 104 until 10 o'clock p.m. the next day. So this is not one of those things where you can just buy it, fill it up, and feel like, okay, I'm gonna use it that same day. You have to wait a whole entire day to fill it up. Ours took exactly 24 hours, just like the website said, just like the instructions kind of said too. So that wasn't really a shocker. I knew that beforehand, that it did take time to, you know, heat the water up. Now, if this even helps, our water temp started off at 74 or 75 degrees, and it took 24 hours to heat all the way up to 104. The motor heats it up all the way to 104. I'm gonna show you what we did. So on the motor, this button right here, it's a picture of a flame or like a fire. That's what you push to heat this up. And you leave that on and you leave this running for 24 whole hours, and then you're good to go. This is the button here to turn the jets on and off. So this is how you will turn on your bubbles. You have to push this so that this can go all the way up to 104. And yeah, and depending on where you are, they have a Celsius and a Fahrenheit. We're in the US, so we chose Fahrenheit. But overall, very pleased, very excited. Me and the hubby, we're about to get in. Y'all can kind of hear my kids in the back maybe, but they about to go to bed and we about to get in. So yeah, that was my whole little setup of the Intex Pure Spa inflatable hot tub or jacuzzi, whatever you want to call it. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.